In this class we will learn how to mirror pieces using the command mirror. This command is very useful in modeling symmetrical parts, because we can create only half of a model and get the other half quickly through mirroring. Let's see how to use this command. Open the available template and see that we have half of an adjustment base that is part of a stamping tool. To easily get the other part, we activate the mirror command. Note that we can mirror solid features, faces and bodies, using flat faces or reference planes as mirroring reference. First we must select a flat face or the reference plane through which the mirroring will be carried out, therefore we select the face shown. Next, depending on the type of item we want to mirror, we must enable the appropriate box for the selection. With the option features to mirror we have to select one by one the characteristics of the model. Since we wanted to mirror the entire piece, we have activated the option bodies to mirror and see that with just one click we select the entire piece and the preview is displayed. Finally, we have a few options. Merge solids must be enabled so that the result of the mirroring is a single solid body. Knit surfaces must be activated so that surfaces containing tangents to each other are joined in the mirroring, forming a single surface. And the Propagate Visual Properties option must be enabled for visual properties to be repeated in mirrored entities or bodies. We confirm the command and observe the result. We have only one solid and all the features have been repeated correctly through the reference face. Explore the options of this command by applying it to other parts. We finished this lesson, where we learn how to use the mirror command, which allows you to create geometries mirroring, contributing to faster and more efficient modeling.